What's up, squad? It's your boy. So let's take a look at what's going on here. See, that's a problem right there. That is a huge problem that we got to take care of, because tomorrow, Friday, we have a car show. Look. Filth, right? So that's the topic of this video. I don't even think I have to say it here. It's car wash time. Tomorrow we have a car show. Hops, cars and hops, hot rods and hops, something like that. We're gonna get up with the squad, HT of course, if you didn't know, head turners, and we're gonna take care of that. So today will be the pre-show work, the car wash, getting the car ready, getting it gassed up, which we actually have to do. And then tomorrow will actually be the show, when we can have fun and do all the cool stuff. But it is a beautiful day here, not a cloud in the sky, so we have to rectify this problem here, because I mean, this right here, this is unacceptable. Like, this year for pollen has been ridiculous, man. Like, this summer is going to be a crazy summer, man. So let me go ahead and get my equipment, my products and everything. Look at it, just look at that. Oh yeah. But yeah, let me go ahead and get my equipment, my products and everything, and we'll go from there. All right, so I'm gonna set you guys down. I'll be right back.
Sometimes you gotta write a new love song to get the old ones out your brain. Yeah, you gotta write a new love song to get the old ones out your brain.
Alright, squad, so what we have here is a filthy car that needs to be taken care of, as you can see, just all around. Oh, by the way, if you didn't know, subscribe. Needless to say, we got something to take care of here. First thing I'm going to do is turn this puppy around, back it in, and take care of it from there. We have to get this this car ready, car show ready. I'll just show you guys some of my tips and techniques, which aren't tips at all. It's just a basic wash and stuff like that. Here is the equipment list, a little bit of everything.
Yeah, and I think I got one. Yeah, I got one. And I think I got
one. Sometimes you gotta write a new love song to get the old ones out your brain. Yeah, you gotta write a new love song to get the old ones out.
Alright guys, so for the rough finish project, the wheels are still drying, so they will be wet. But other than that, everything else should be in good shape. I give you Big Red.
Gotta write a new love song to get the old ones out your brain. Yeah, you gotta write a new love song to get the old ones out your brain. And I think I got one.
Yeah, and I think I got one.
Alright, squad, so that's it. That's the finished project. Now let's go get some gas. What's up, squad? So it's gas time, man, as usual. As per usual, as you can see, the boy is 62 miles, and then your boy's on the side of the road walking. But one little bit I wanted to add and let you guys in on was just to you don't be that guy. Don't be that guy that's hanging out with the squad that's got the dirty ass car. I was just thinking about that, you know. One thing I've noticed about the car club I'm in is that we take a lot of pride in our cars, and especially when we meet up, everybody always gets their car washed. They either get it washed by somebody else, or they get out there and they hand wash it themselves. And that way, when we show up and, you know, we show up and show out, it looks good. It's a good presentation. I mean, it's almost like being on the team, athletic team or sports team of some sort. And, you know, you got one guy that's got his jersey untucked out of his pants, and then vice versa. So, you know, it always looks good when everyone looks in unison and looks presentable. So, you know, that's why we do what we do. A lot of people don't understand that. They look at a car strictly as a car. It's a little more than that for some people, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm about to get gas, man. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. That's going to be Hot Rods and Hops, which is basically cars and beers. Something you guys saw last time, but this time I should be able to do a little bit better job covering the event. But yeah, as always, guys, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, talk to your boy. If anybody in Charlotte is going to be out there tomorrow, holla at me, man. Come through, say what's up, and we'll go from there. Y'all take it easy. Have a great one.
I think I got one.